What's up, everybody? Welcome to the startup space. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your shipment on Takealot. So if you are a Takealot seller, or you're applying or in the process of becoming a Takealot seller, then this video will be helpful for you. Just make sure that you've gone through every other process. Obviously gone through the entire onboarding, and you've added your products. You have your products ready. Don't create a shipment if you don't have products, because creating a shipment is basically you booking to send your product to Takealot, if that makes sense. So as part of the whole entire onboarding process, or the entire process of you becoming a seller, you need to send some product to the Takealot warehouse, so that they can, number one, so that they can see that, okay, cool, you know how to send your product to their warehouse. Number two, so they can get your product and see that your products are real, and they are they're good quality, because you know that they have a standard to uphold. So yeah, so make sure you have your products ready, your packaging for your product, and then you need to buy the 45 up and 6 up labels. I'm going to show them to you just now. So these are the 45 up, and these are the ones I bought, and these are the 6 up labels. I bought them from Takealot. I will try and link it in the description, so you can just click and go buy them. If you see the reviews in the under the product, you will see that there are a couple of people telling you that these are the ones that you need for as a Takealot seller. So yeah, these are the ones that I bought. I think together, combined, they cost 300 rand or something like that, or less than that, because they were 100 and something each, I think. So yeah, these are you need to have these first before you create your shipment, because you're going to use these to print your product label as well as your shipment label, the barcodes basically. So yeah, make sure that you get those labels, the 45 up and 6 up labels. You need them. They specifically say, if you go through the onboarding under the what I think it's module 4, under module 4, what does fulfilled by Takealot mean? That module, they do tell you that the labels that you're going to need, and then they also talk about give you the information regarding your first shipment. Now I'm going to show you that portion of it, that part of it on the onboarding, and show you the document that tells you that tells you about the Takealot preferred couriers and stuff. I personally will be using, I haven't started selling, guys. As I said, if you've watched my other videos, I am making these videos as I also go through the processes. So it's simply me sharing, what I'm doing and what I'm finding out as I do it, right? Now, I will show you guys now just that document. I personally use the courier guide because that's what I use for my business. When I sell on my own website, I use the courier guide. So I'm going to use the same here as well. So whatever courier you choose, you'll need to contact them. The contact details are on in the document. You'll need to contact them and then let them know that you are looking for, you need to use their services for as a Takealot seller, because their rates are different for Takealot sellers. So you'll make sure that you mention that, whether you email them or give them a call. I'd say give them a call if you happen to use that courier company. If you see a courier company that you're already using for your business, then use that courier company. Don't confuse yourself. As long as they are one of Takealot's preferred couriers, because they already know the process of delivering to Takealot and stuff like that. So yeah, let me show you guys. Number one, I'll show you that under the onboarding process, show you the documents and whatnot, and then I will show you how to create the actual shipment. So keep watching. And if you have not subscribed, make sure you do hit that subscribe button, you guys. I can see that this information is helpful to a lot of you guys, and it would really, really help me if you hit that subscribe button and help my channel grow. I truly appreciate it. And hit the like button if you find the videos helpful. That helps YouTube know that they need to show the videos to more people. So let's help more people out, okay? So yeah, let us get on, my PC so I can show you guys the actual stuff. So just log into your Takealot seller account, and then make sure that you've completed your onboarding. If you completed it before they did the update, it's probably gonna say 0% of it completed because they updated this thing. So you're welcome to go through it again if you feel like you need a refresher. I probably might, because I'd like to see what they added or changed or anything like that. But anyway, you make sure you go through this, the onboarding. Make sure you've added product. So if you already have a product added, I added one to show you for the tutorial. So here it is. I haven't actually shipped it or anything because I don't have all the packaging I need for it, like the plastic thingy sleeves that I want to put the scrunchies in. I don't have that yet. I haven't been able to find the right size, but yeah. So make sure you add your product. You can do that here. Add to Takealot's catalog. You can use search Takealot's catalog if the product that you want to sell, if it's something that you've seen on Takealot already, like there's an exact product, but you can search also just to make sure if there's an exact product or anything like that, even if it's a different color, but then because you can change the color or whatever. But yeah, or you can or you can just add to Takealot's catalog and add your product. There is a video for that, just check it out. Cool. Now this is where you're going to come for your shipment. You're going to come here to new replenishment shipment. Then cool. So you're going to select, so this is the products that you've added will appear here. Only added one product. Mine is not viable because I think it's because I'm not done with the whole process, like the first shipment and stuff like that. We'll see after I do that if that will be sorted. But yeah, then you're going to indicate how many you're sending to the Takealot warehouse, the Cape Town warehouse, and the Joburg warehouse. In the onboarding, they do say how many products. I think it's 35% to the Cape Town and 65% to the Joburg warehouse. I might be wrong or switching it up, but just check and make sure. But I think that was the ratio. You can send a couple of products. I don't think they're very strict on that actually, the amount that you send. So I'm just gonna say 5 for now, okay? Now, when the stock actually gets to the Takealot warehouses, this will update. I don't know if it gets there or if once you've created your shipment, something like that. But yeah, then this will change to show the five units, right? In all the other details. And then cool. Then we say create shipment. And then cool. Then these are the two shipments, right? There's this one that's going to the Cape Town address. This is the Cape Town warehouse I'll need to ship to, and this is the Joburg warehouse that I will be shipping to, right? And it's gonna show the product that you're sending there. See product and stuff and the amount, the quantity you're sending. When you do all this, guys, make sure that you've already you need to have booked your your shipment with your courier first. Then you create draft shipments. No? It's taking long. My network is so slow because of this load shedding and rain and everything. But yeah. Cool. Then we come here. Okay. So this is my, I'm not going to confirm it. So you're going to take over here. You're going to download the product labels. Yeah, so you can see what they're saying. This is the product labels is going on the 45 app label. I showed you guys what it looks like, and then you're going to download it, and then you're gonna print it, right? Let's download it to see. There it is. Oh, sorry. There they are. There are the product labels. So let me close that because I'm not gonna print that right now. But yeah, if you wanna remove the product, you can remove it or whatever you wanna do. So this is the shipment going to Cape Town. This is the quantity and everything, and then you can mark as confirmed. Let's do that. Cool. So this is blah blah blah. Would you like to decrease? No, don't decrease. So if you confirm, you are agreeing to deliver the contents of the shipment to the specified DC by the due date, which is by the 12th of June. So you'll say confirm. Yeah? So once you confirm the shipment, then you'll be able to edit your. I don't want to confirm because then I'll have to cancel, and I don't know if that's possible or anything. Because you see, cool, you'll confirm shipment and then you'll enter whatever details. I think the next step they will ask for, like, that's where you're gonna enter your waybill number and all that, because you will have booked with your courier, right? Your waybill number and stuff like that, and then you'll be able to download the shipping label, right? So we downloaded the product label, then you're gonna download the shipping label that you're going to put on your overall shipping packaging, right? Not your product packaging. The product label is gonna go on your product packaging, whether it's like plastic wrap or plastic sleeve or the product's original box or whatever. That's, you're gonna put the product label on top of that, and then your shipping label you're gonna put on top of the box or the thing, whatever you're going to use to ship your product to the Takealot DC, if you get me, what you're going to put your product in. Cool. Then you click confirm shipment. I'm not going to click it because I'm not ready to ship. So you're going to do that for the other one. So when you're done, let me remove this here because, guys, I'm not ready for this. Cool. Then you're going to go back and do this, the Joburg one. Same thing. You select the product that you want to ship. You're going to mark the shipment as confirmed, confirm the shipment, and then enter the details for the shipment. Download your shipping label. Before you move on, you're going to download your product label as well, and then you download your shipping label, and your shipment will be confirmed, and then what's left is for the courier company to come and collect your product
wherever you are going to take it to their branch, whatever, however you arranged your shipping with your courier, and they will ship it to the DC before this date, basically. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I hope that is easy to understand. If you run across any issues, please do ask or contact Takealot. They are so helpful. They will help. They will help you. They will contact seller support, and they will help you. So yeah, I'm gonna remove these because I am not ready to ship, you guys. Oh, and then these are your shipments. Um, when you've confirmed that button I showed you, when you've confirmed, it's gonna show up here, and then when it's been shipped to the Takealot DC, then it's gonna show up here, right? The shipping details. You need to be downloading this when you've confirmed your shipment and everything. It must come up here, and you download your shipment details and stuff. Watch these videos. They have a lot of so I'd say how-to videos. So do watch them, or they have like PDFs sometimes showing you like step by step how to do stuff. So if you get confused, watch them. These little blue things, and come here sometimes if you need help with anything, and you can literally search anything, and then it comes up. See, they have all these walkthroughs and stuff. They really upgraded the seller center, so there's a lot of information you can get if you don't understand something. But I hope you guys found this helpful. I will see you guys in the next video.